Hello everyone, what we will learn is personal life-saving equipment. In order to ensure the safety of ship's crew and passengers, operations on board must comply with the relevant provisions of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS Convention, the Manila Amendment to the International Convention on Training, Certification, and Watch-Keeping Standards for Seafarers 1978, STUR Convention, and the 2006 Maritime Labor Convention, ILO Convention, strictly abide by the operating procedures and carry out safe operations. At the same time, equipped with all kinds of labor protection equipment that meet the requirements, the crew must be proficient in the use of all kinds of labor protection equipment. Learning objectives. 1. Learn all kinds of common crew industrial accidents. 2. Learn and master the preventive measures for all kinds of ship staff, injuries and accidents. Study catalog. Learning content. 1. All kinds of common crew work-related accidents. 1. Preventive measures for industrial accidents in high altitude and outboard work. 1. Before carrying out high-altitude outboard operations, the operations should be closely organized and safety precautions should be emphasized. 2. During the operation preparation phase, a detailed operation plan shall be made, and a special person shall be designated to organize and direct the operation. 3. Conduct safety assessment according to risk assessment procedures and identify operational risks. 4. The examination and approval system for high-altitude outboard operations shall be strictly implemented, which shall be applied to the captain by the person in charge of the operation, and shall only be implemented after the captain's examination and approval. 5. Operators should wear suitable overalls, helmets, non-slip work shoes, and other labor protection products. 6. Carefully check the equipment and accessories used. 7. Safe and reliable climbing tools should be used in operation, and lifting by general lifting equipment or climbing by climbing is strictly prohibited. 8. Working tools should not be placed in a place where they are easy to fall. Tools that are not used temporarily should be placed in a special container and placed in a safe and reliable place. It is strictly forbidden to drop tools from high places, and special tools should be used for transmission. 2. Preventive measures of industrial accidents in confined space. 1. Strict risk assessment should be carried out before operation. 2. Strictly implement the activity examination and approval system. 3. Continuous ventilation. 4. Measurement of oxygen and explosion. 5. Collaborate with each other. 3. Preventive measures for industrial accidents caused by open fire. 1. Strict examination and approval system must be carried out in open fire operation. 2. Risk assessment should be carried out strictly before open fire operation. 3. In open fire operation, the working environment should be checked in accordance with the regulations. 4. Open fire operation must meet certain technical conditions. 4. Preventive measures for work-related accidents in the maintenance of lifting cylinders of 4 main and auxiliary engines. 1. Conduct risk assessment and strictly implements the pre-sub-work checklist. 2. Arrange a reasonable answer workflow, strictly implement the operating rules. 3. Establish safety awareness and strictly follow the requirements. Turn the page. 5. Preventive measures for industrial accidents in the maintenance of boilers and pressure vessels. 1. Arrange the workflow reasonably before the assignment. 2. Before the operation, ventilation, oxygen test and explosion test are qualified before entering the person. Continuous ventilation should be maintained during the operation, which shall be carried out in accordance with the operation regulations of the confined space. 3. Adequate lighting should be maintained in the boiler or pressure vessel, and the lighting facilities should be explosion-proof. 6. Preventive measures for industrial accidents in the operation of hand-held electric, pneumatic tools. 1. The crew should be familiar with the operation of the equipment, operate in strict accordance with the operating procedures, and conduct risk assessment before operation. 2. Check whether the housing handle, power cord grounding protection, power plug, power switch mechanical protection device, and electrical protection device are in good condition before operation. 3. Operators must wear helmets, overalls, work shoes, gloves, protective glasses, masks, and earplugs. 4. When working, keep a proper distance between operators, and it is strictly forbidden to have people or hard obstacles in front of the machine. For pneumatic tools, after the supply of high-pressure gas is stopped for some reason, the air control valve should be closed in time. 7. Preventive measures for industrial accidents in catering service work. 1. Strengthen the daily safety training of catering operators and improve the safety awareness of the crew. 2. The kitchen supervisor should carefully check the kitchen equipment to ensure that the equipment is in a safe and available state and operate in strict accordance with the operating procedures. 3. Question card guide. 1. In order to extinguish the fire in time when the ship has a fire, the firefighting work and equipment configuration on the ship should be C, based on self-rescue. Give priority to learning. B. Give priority to practical work. C. Give priority to prevention. D. Give priority to practicality. 2. When overhauling the mainframe, the following must be done. Hang the warning sign, no bullet train at the main engine control place. B. Close the transfer machine. C. Starting lubricating oil pump. E. A Class B. Thank you.